Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned into the 612 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today, from the Hindu Business Line, shines a spotlight on a powerful transformation unfolding in rural India. Women, particularly those from self-help groups and disadvantaged backgrounds, are emerging as the new champions of financial inclusion, catalyzing insurance sales through a pioneering initiative called Bima Vahak. This is not just about creating jobs, it is about building trust and bridging the vast insurance gap in the country's heartland. So, what is the driving force behind this? The Bima Vahak program is a key component of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India's ambitious Bima Trinity model, which aims to achieve insurance for all by 2047. The idea is to place women agents at the panchayat level, leveraging their innate community connections to win the confidence of rural households. While not yet mandatory, insurers are rapidly embracing this model. Our very own Rakesh Kaul, Chief Distribution Officer of Retail Business at Bajaj General Insurance, provided a compelling snapshot of this growth, noting, over the past year, there has been an approximate 15 to 20% increase in the number of women joining us as insurance agents. He added a crucial detail, highlighting the particularly encouraging momentum in rural markets, where a nearly 30% increase is driven by women who bring immense social credibility and motivation, supported by insurers investing 6 to 12 months in their training and handholding. This growing participation is more than just a sales channel. It is about creating a more balanced, inclusive, and trusted distribution ecosystem that is fundamentally changing how insurance reaches the last mile. Next up, a story from Money Control addresses the all too common problem of vehicle damage, particularly to windshields caused by these sudden icy showers. The question is, when your car is attacked by hail, is your insurance policy ready to step in? Think of your comprehensive auto insurance policy as a protective shield against nature's fury. Unlike basic third-party insurance, which only covers damage to others, a comprehensive policy is designed to protect your own vehicle from such unforeseen events. When a hailstorm hits, the first thing to do is stay safe. But once the sky is clear, it is time for action. The article advises policyholders to meticulously document the damage with clear photographs from multiple angles. This visual evidence is crucial when you file a claim. It is also wise to review your policy to understand the deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket, and any coverage limits. Many insurers now offer cashless repair facilities at their network garages, which can significantly simplify the process and take the financial and logistical stress off your shoulders. It is a reminder that the right insurance turns a potential financial disaster into a manageable repair job. Moving on to a story from CNBC TV 18, delves into a landmark reform set to reshape India's social security landscape. Millions of workers, particularly those in the gig economy and unorganized sectors, are on the verge of gaining unprecedented access to essential benefits like insurance and pensions. This is not just about updating old laws, it is about extending a crucial safety net to those who have long been on the margins of the formal workforce. So, what is the engine of this change? The answer lies in India's new Consolidated Labour Codes, a comprehensive framework designed to bring a vast band of the workforce under the formal umbrella of Social Security for the first time. The codes redefine who qualifies as an employee and how wages are calculated, broadening the scope for coverage under schemes run by the employee's state insurance corporation and the employee's provident fund organization. Crucially, for the first time, platform and gig workers, think of your delivery drivers or ride-hailing partners, are explicitly included. This means digital aggregators will now be mandated to contribute to Social Security funds on their behalf, a move that could fundamentally alter their employment relationship and provide long-term security. While the legislation is a significant leap forward, the real challenge now lies in its effective implementation and raising awareness among the very workers it aims to protect. And for our final story today, from India TV, it highlights a critical aspect of financial planning navigating India's insurance landscape amid a rising number of natural disasters. The expert advice here centers on the importance of adding disaster riders to your base policy to provide specific coverage for events like floods, earthquakes, and cyclones, which are often excluded from standard plans. This piece highlights some common but costly mistakes people make. The first is assuming their standard policy is a catch-all safety net, which is rarely the case. The second is underestimating the value of their assets and consequently underinsuring them, leaving them exposed in a crisis. The third mistake is a simple one: forgetting to review and update policies as life circumstances and asset values change. Disaster riders are presented as an incredibly cost-effective solution. For a small additional premium, they can provide substantial coverage, ensuring that a single catastrophic event does not wipe out years of hard work. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.